sound also. First of all, we can say something about light. Light means light is a form of energy. That means the velocity of light. See, I am saying shortly, not such a derivation or something like that. The velocity of light. Light consists of two parts. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I
Hello?
can.
Light
Yes, yes,
consists
I
of
can.
two parts. Light consists of two parts, the electric part and magnetic part. According to modern theory of electrodynamics, we can say that the light evolves from the third point of view. That means not x-axis, not y-axis, but it travels through z-axis. Suppose if electric field is taken along x-axis and magnetic field is taken along y-axis, then definitely the light, the resulting, the emerging wave, that means a combination of electric and magnetic waves that will travel with respect to y-axis, independent of x and y-axis, and also the velocity of light, that is